How's it going, everyone? Today we have partnered with Dreame once again to take a look at their Z10 Pro robotic vacuum. It's got self-emptying dustbin and the 2-in-1 mopping feature. So we're definitely upgrading our cleaning tools to the total package in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. In today's episode, we are checking out another awesome robotic vacuum by Dreame. This is the Z10 Professional. And not only is it a great vacuum, it's also got an auto emptying dustbin with a mopping feature. And of course, you can find all the links and details to the Dreame Z10 Pro located in the description. So first thing is first, let's see what we get in the box, get it set up, and do some cleaning. Alright, so starting out on the top, we have a mopping pad and the water tank where you can add the water and mop behind your vacuum. Then we have some paperwork on the top as well. Then in this cardboard we have the brush, and a bag for the vacuum. Then we have Z10 robotic vacuum. Oh wow, looks really nice. It's a nice gray color with some silver trim. Very sleek looking. Then we have a power cord. It's got a nice Velcro strap on it as well. Let's keep digging and see what else we have in all of these layers. Alright, now we have the station. Oh, look at that. It's also gray. It has these sensors right here for the charging and some ports right here for an auto emptying system. So that's pretty cool. We'll have to look more into that. And that seems to be it. That is everything in the box. So it's time to get it set up and clean up this mess we just made. After charging and the first time running, it did an excellent job mapping out my room with the LDS LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping tech. This allows the robot to cope with a complex home environment. The multi-room mapping also comes in extremely handy with my room-to-room cleaning, or saving multiple room mappings and going in between them. This is a wonderful feature if you have multiple floors in your home. This means you can have a map of the upstairs and the downstairs and not have to remap on every single cleaning. And packed with a 5200 milliamp battery, you can get a lot of cleaning done. 150 minutes to be exact is the rating before needing to recharge. With up to 4000 PA suction rating, you really get everything in your cleanups. Everything from dust, animal hair, and larger particles that's even harder to pick up. You can also go between 4 different levels using the app as well. Starting at the Echo setting is 800 PA, standard setting is 1200 PA, max setting at 1800 PA, and the super setting at 4000 PA. So in other words, you shouldn't have problems picking up any trash or dust particles. And talking about all the trash that you're picking up, my favorite feature is the auto emptying function, where as soon as it's done cleaning, it goes to the dock for charging and then automatically dumps
all the trash in the collection bag. This allows you to be hands-free with your cleaning for around a rated of 65 days before needing to change the dust bag. This allows me to focus on my other task and not be in the middle of something and have to stop because the vacuum is filled up and needs to be emptied. And if you're into voice commands and have your home set up as a smart home with Google or Alexa, you can also add this vacuum giving you voice commands instead of having to turn it on manually or with the app. And lastly, if you're looking to add that extra bit of shine to your floors, the mopping feature works awesome and is pretty handy, giving you a mop right behind your cleanup. I truly enjoy all the features and controls Dreame gives you with the Z10, truly making this a pro level vacuum in my opinion. Besides, who doesn't like hands-free maintenance when it comes to floor cleaning? The Dreame Z10 Pro is hands down the vacuum that I would recommend anyone that's looking for that next level robotic vacuum. And of course, if you'd like to take a look for yourself, we have all of our links located in the description. If you found this review helpful, then be sure to hit that like button and get in the comments. Let us know what your thoughts are on the Z10 Pro. That's going to be it for today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. Remember, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on to receive notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.